The secret streams for international graduates and skilled workers, no job offer needed. Hey, future Canadians! Pius here from Chugo Immigration Services. If you thought you needed a job offer to get PR in Atlantic Canada, think again. Today, I'm revealing the secret PNP streams in Nova Scotia, New Brunswick, PEI, and Newfoundland that let international graduates and skilled workers get permanent residence, sometimes with no job offer at all. Stick around because I'll show you exactly how these programs work, who qualifies, and I'll walk you through a real-life example of how a smart applicant from Nigeria can use these pathways to get PR in 2026. Let's get started. Let's be real. Ontario and BC are crowded, competitive, and CRS scores are sky high. But Atlantic Canada, it's the land of opportunity for smart, flexible applicants. Here's why. Lower CRS cutoffs, sometimes no CRS at all. Many streams don't require a job offer. Provinces are desperate for skilled workers and international grads. Processing times are often faster, 6 to 12 months. The cost of living is 30 to 50% lower than in Toronto or Vancouver. And after PR, you can move anywhere in Canada. The secret PNP streams. Let's break down the hidden gems in each province. Nova Scotia, international graduates and occupations in demand. Nova Scotia labor market priorities for physicians. No job offer needed if you're a physician and get a letter of interest from the province. Nova Scotia International Graduate Entrepreneur Stream. For grads who start or buy a business in NS. No job offer but must run the business for a year. Nova Scotia Experience. Express entry. 1 year of skilled work in NS can be as a student or on PGWP. No job offer needed at application. New Brunswick Express Entry and Strategic Initiative. New Brunswick Express Entry Stream. No job offer needed if you have a connection, like study, work, or recruitment event. Strategic Initiative Stream. For French speakers, no job offer needed if you attend a recruitment event or have a connection. Prince Edward Island Express Entry and Critical Worker. PEI Express Entry Stream sometimes issues invitations to candidates in the pool with skills in demand, even without a job offer. Critical Worker Stream. For those already working in PEI, but job offer is often easier to get than in other provinces. Newfoundland and Labrador, International Graduate and Priority Skills. International Graduate Stream. For grads of Memorial University or College of the North Atlantic, a job offer is required but often easier to get. Priority Skills NL. For skilled workers in tech, healthcare, and in-demand sectors, no job offer is needed if you have experience in a priority occupation and score high on the expression of interest. Real-life example. Nigerian applicant success story. Let's make this real. Meet Ned, a 28-year-old from Nigeria with a bachelor's in computer science and 3 years of software development experience. Here's how Ned can use these secret streams. Step 1. Ned applies for a 1-year postgrad certificate in data analytics at Memorial University, Newfoundland, or Nova Scotia Community College. Step 2. He studies, works part-time, and networks with local employers. Step 3. After graduation, he gets a PGWP and works for 1 year in a Tier 1 occupation, software developer. Step 4. He applies to the Priority Skills NL stream. No job offer needed, just proof of experience and a high EOI score. Step 5. He gets a provincial nomination, 600 CRS points, and a PR invitation in the next Express entry draw. Why this works? No job offer required for Priority Skills NL if you're in tech or healthcare. Memorial University is affordable and PGWP eligible. Atlantic provinces are actively recruiting African and international grads. Result, Ned gets PR in under 2 years, with a total investment far less than studying in Ontario or BC. How to maximize your chances. Here's how you can do what Ned did. Research the right program and province. Look for PGWP-eligible programs in Atlantic Canada and check if your occupation is on the priority or in-demand list. Build connections while studying. Attend job fairs, join student groups, and volunteer. Participate in provincial recruitment events, especially in New Brunswick and Nova Scotia. Prepare a killer expression of interest, EOI. Highlight your skills, experience, and community involvement. For French speakers, attend NB's virtual recruitment events for bonus points. Don't wait for a job offer. Apply to streams that don't require one. Focus on priority skills NL, NB Strategic Initiative, and NS Experience. Get your documents ready. Transcripts, reference letters, language test results, IELTS or TEF, proof of funds, etc. Apply early and follow up. These programs fill up fast. Be ready to submit as soon as you're eligible. Use professional help if needed. The rules change fast. A single mistake can cost you a year. Chugo Immigration Services can help you navigate every step. Atlantic Canada is the best-kept secret in Canadian immigration for 2026. With secret PNP streams, lower competition, and a welcoming community, it's the smart choice for international graduates and skilled workers, especially if you don't have a job offer. If you want to know which Atlantic stream fits your profile, or you need help with your application, email us at chugoimmigration@gmail.com. The rules are changing fast, and you need a pro on your side. Subscribe, hit the bell, and comment below. Which Atlantic province would you choose and why? Let's get you to Canada faster and smarter.